How to view archived items on monday.com. That's what we are going to do in today's video. First, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and also write any comments that you want to type in the comment section down below. And let's get started. So first of all, we want to archive an item. Let's go to item 3 and click in here and then click on archive. Let's do it also with item 4 and click on archive. Now both these items are archived. How then to access the archived items? Let's do it. We're gonna go to the upper right of the page with the 3 dots here. I'm gonna click on it, and after it, go to board settings on the bottom of the menu. In the bottom of the menu that opens for you, you're gonna find archived history. Click on it. These are the items that we have already archived from the beginning of the video. What if we want to restore them? Simply, we're gonna go to the right and click on restore. Now item 3 is supposed to be restored, and click also on item 4 so that it's supposed to be restored. Go back to the board, and as you can see, item 3 and item 4 are restored. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and click on the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you're not still subscribed, and drop down below in the comment section any comment or suggestion or question that you want to add, and have a nice day.